Hey class, I wanted to create this quick resource for you in case you want to use Flipgrid and you are unsure how to do it. So take a look at your Google Classroom. Right now I'm in Life Fit 4, but if you're in period 5, obviously go to that one. You're going to go down to this link right here, Spikeball Video Turn-In. This is where I want you guys to turn in your work, which is due on Friday, don't forget. You're going to use, if you want to use Flipgrid, go ahead and hit this link. If you're thinking you want to do WeVideo, you're going to use this link. Once you hit that Flipgrid video, you should log in with Google. That should come up. Pretty easy. You're going to see the assignment How To. You want to go ahead and create that How To video, so click on there. Now, keep in mind, you cannot edit anything out of there or add anything to it. So once you create your video, you got to go with it. When you're ready to go ahead and do that, so you've practiced a couple times, you know exactly what you're going to say, etc., go ahead and hit tap to record. Okay, on the tap to record, you guys are going to see this is your big recording button, so you're going to go ahead and use that when you're ready. You can add stickies to it, but we won't worry too much about that. So make sure you can see everyone in the video and that your instructions are clear and we know exactly how to play Spikeball by the end of your video. Tape it here, hit pause when you're done. You can redo it if you hate it or add a sticky note to it. Next, when you hit next, you can see everyone in the video and that your instructions are clear and we know exactly how to play Spikeball by the end of your video. Tape it here. You can go ahead and then add a title to it, and once you add a title, make sure you include everybody's name in this title so we know who exactly is responsible for this wonderful video, okay? So, I add to it, update title, hit next. I can snap a selfie. Maybe I'm playing some serious Spikeball. Okay, then I can add really super nose. Make it festive for me to look at, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and I can submit it, okay? I get this really super cool congratulations, complete it, and now I've got it linked and it is in my submit column and ready to be graded. So that's how you guys use Flipgrid if you are using that to tape your Spikeball video. Let me know if you guys have any questions and good luck.